The 2013 McLaren MP4-12C HPE700 by Hennessey. Hennessey unveiled its HPE800 kit for the McLaren MP4-12C for the McLaren MP4-12C in early 2012. In that instance, Hennessey tuned the supercar to deliver a total of 800 horsepower. In 2013, however, Hennessey revisits the MP4-12C and came up with a new HPE700 kit that, despite delivering only 704 horsepower, it's still bound to be a hoot to drive. The new HPE700 kit includes an optimized ECU, an upgraded intercooler, dual air induction filters and a stainless steel sports exhaust system. Thanks to these changes, the car's 3.8-liter, twin-turbo V8 engine's output was increased from the base 616 horsepower up to a total of 704 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 538 pound-feet at 5,800 revolutions per minute. With the extra power, the MP4-12 will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and will run the quarter mile in 10.3 seconds at a speed of 137 miles per hour. Click past the jump to read more about the standard McLaren MP4-12C. McLaren MP4-12C. The MP4-12C was launched on the market in 2011 as a direct challenger to the Ferrari 458 Italia. The initial model was powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 592 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute and 443 pound-feet of torque delivered between 3,000 and 7,000 revolutions per minute. For the 2013 model year, the car's engine was updated to a total of 616 horsepower. With the extra power, the MP4-12C runs from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and hits a top speed of 207 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.